Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies. Welcome to the debate grading for Group 2. And today we'd like to listen to the argument to discuss about the motion. And the motion is about the house belief that single-sex education is better for everyone. So, ladies and gentlemen, there is no gentleman. So, ladies, let me introduce myself. My name is Nana, as your judger, moderator, and also timekeeper. And today we will listen the argument from the government first, and then affirmation. That is BOI POC. So make sure you take your focus on it. And well, without any further ado, maybe it's better for us to start the debate. So the first government, the first speaker government, are you ready?
Yes,
You
I'm
ready?
ready.
Okay. Alia,
Yes.
uh, the time is yours. It is 7 minutes. Okay.
Okay, thank you for the chances, judges. So first, I will tell you why we agree with the single-sex school education. So first, um, the causes is by their parents. They say that parents of students um, who agree with the existence of a single-sex school stated that students of a different gender with their children could be a distraction. So, with this gender segregation can encourage success in their school. They say that their children in that school in the single sex school can be more focused and it can be more gain successful. They agree that most single-sex schools that adopted a boarding school can help their children to study. In the boarding school, we are um, supposed to focus on school. So that's why parents said their children can be more successful in a boarding school. And in addition, they also said that the presence of students of different genders could interfere with their level of focus while studying. Like example, um, there's so many interactions between uh, different gender with girl and boy. Like when you studying, um, like when you studying, like you are girl and you're studying. There's a boy will a naughty boy they like to distract you. Like they like to distract you. Like example, they like to playing with your pencil case or maybe with your book, that they like to make a sign like a sign in your book like that. So that can be a distraction. That's all from me.
Okay, Alia, great. Your time left is about 4 minutes and 24 seconds. So I'll write it down. So wait for me a moment. Okay, wait. Okay, congratulations. Then let's go to the affirmation for speaker. Affirmation for speaker, are you ready?
Okay, I will present my argument about single-sex school. The long-term consequences, for example, are that girls are only used to being involved with other women. Then when they have to face the real world, that does not apply. It's it was revealed that children attending one sex only school were no more educated than children in general school. Not only that it is easier for children to accept gender stereotypes if they attend school for boy or girl. In a study conducted by Uppsala University in Sweden, it is stated the children from gender natural school were usual to get along with children who were previously unknown and from the opposite sex. If children only go to school with the opposite sex and they don't get along, well, it's different if they do go to a natural school. And that's my argument. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Fiza, for your opinion. That is great. Your time left is 5 minutes 43 seconds. So let me write it down. So give me a moment. Okay, next. We are already here for the first speaker, and then this time we will hear to the second speaker from the government. The time is yours. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, so the time is yours. Niall?
Yeah, yes. Well, thanks for the opportunity. I am allowed to express my opinion that girls learn better in warmer classroom temperatures, while boys perform better in cooler classroom. If that's true, then the temperatures in gender class one in general one class can be set to optimize the learning of male or female students. Several studies and reports from educators show that one sex education can provide educational prospects for both girls and boys. Advocate claim makes school tend to reinforce gender stereotypes, while single-sex school can undermine gender stereotypes. For example, girls are free from pressure to compete with boys in male-dominated subjects such as math and science. Boys, on the other hand, can more easily pursue traditional feminine interests such as music and cooking. One model instructor has attended an all-girls school for 3 years, shared the experience in the grad school parent community. I felt that the single-gender environment has given her a level of confidence and information in the math and in math and science that the don't have otherwise, said the model. I have 3 reasons to focus on one sex education for your child. One, limiting social pressure. Two, instilling healthy competitiveness. Three, eliminate gender stereotypes.
Sorry. Second speaker from the affirmation. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Ratilis. The time. Ratilis, the time is yours.
Thank you. According to me, they are also affected by culturally prevailing gender stereotypes compared to children from other schools. The result of research published in the Journal of Experimental Child Psychology show that although children from gender-neutral schools can classify people by gender, they do not discriminate between texts based on gender. Wouldn't there be competition to produce graduates with higher quality than private school without any competition? This proves that gender differentiated school can encourage students to learn. They tend to be more motivated to achieve achievements instead of feeling inferior. Thank you.
Okay, Ratilis, congratulations. Your time left is 5 minutes 58 seconds. So let me write it down. Okay, then this is the time for us to hear the third speaker. The third speaker from the government. Are you ready?
Okay, ready, Kak.
Okay.
Okay, think about this belief. Single-sex schools are good for education. Federal law support the option of single-sex education. On Education Secretary Margaret Spilling issued federal regulation allowing school to offer single-sex classroom and school along as a side option are completely as long as this move gives parent and school district greater and flexibility. Okay, thank you, Kak. This argument.
Okay. Thank you, Vita, for your argument. The time left is 6 minutes and 10 seconds, so let me write it down. Wait for me for a moment. This is the time for the affirmation to tell us the argument. So the first speaker from the affirmation, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, Nisa, the time is yours.
Thank you for opportunities. For the time, if the existence of the one gender school is enforced, it will create social inequality. Their women and men feel that some of them are superior. This goes back to the ancient time. Their possibility there was less gradually. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nisa, for your opinion. Your time left is about 4 minutes and 38 seconds. So let me write it down. Wait a moment. Okay, ladies, we already hear the argument for each of you, and this is the time for us to hear the conclusion. The conclusion first will be delivered by the government. So, from the government, are you ready? But conclusion, ready? Nilis, you have 5 minutes. So, any further ado, the time is yours.
Government themes that we can take students of different gender can be a distraction for students of different genders. This is a very influential that during their learning process. With this gender segregation can help students in the success of the learning process. They will not feel stressed when there are subjects they can study regardless of gender. For example, female students who are good at sport and biology, who are good at science. The extent of school with gender difference can also minimize cases of sexual harassment. That's what I can conclude, and thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nilis. Your left time is about 4 minutes and 4 seconds. So let me write it down first. Okay, this is the time for the conclusion from the affirmation. Affirmation, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, Nisa, you can tell your conclusion is in 5 minutes, just as the same as Niall. So the time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Can be concluded. When gender schools are create a gap between boys and girls, they tend to be shy and insecure. Then they meet the opposite sex when in the outside world. Second, they can interact well with the opposite sex. Third, homogeneous school are less effective because they will hinder their child socialization so that the child is less socialized. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nisa. So your time left is about 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay. Okay, ladies, you can give applause for your own self.